हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू इंडियन स्टॉक मार्केट। सो गाइस, आज हम बात करेंगे स्टॉक टिप्स के बारे में। लेकिन इससे पहले आप मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, लाइक कीजिए, कमेंट्स कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए और हाँ, बेल आइकन को दबाना मत भूलिए। आपका प्यार और सहयोग आवश्यक है, तो सहयोग दीजिएगा। चलिए आज कुछ नया सीख लेते हैं। सो गाइस, आज हम बात करते हैं स्टॉक टिप्स के बारे में। फर्स्ट स्टॉक है हमारा लॉरस लैब्स लिमिटेड। कंपनी के फंडामेंटल्स काफ़ी स्ट्रॉन्ग है, कंपनी फाइनेंशियल भी काफ़ी स्ट्रॉन्ग है। एक शॉर्ट टर्म डिलीवरी आपको बाय करनी है। ओके, लेट्स गो। ओके, सो गाइस, लॉरस लैब्स शेयर प्राइस, स्टॉक एनालिसिस एंड रिकॉर्ड्स। The current market price of Laurus Labs is rupees 522.70 with a target price of rupees 580। 580 का टारगेट है। एक शॉर्ट टर्म डिलीवरी आपको बाय करनी है। सेक्टर फार्मास्यूटिकल्स, इंडस्ट्री फार्मा, इंडियन। लाइव मार्केट प्राइस लॉरस लैब्स इज रुपीज़ 522.75 विथ अ टारगेट प्राइस ऑफ रुपीज़ 580। 580 का टारगेट है। एक शॉर्ट टर्म डिलीवरी आपको बाय करनी है। दिस इज अ टेक्निकल चार्ट, लॉरस लैब्स लिमिटेड। Okay, insights, key metrics, returns. Intraday fact check. In the last 5 years, only 1.74% trading season saw intraday declines higher than 5%. Key metrics: PE ratio 33.57, EPS TTM 15.58, market capital 28,085.09 crore, sectoral market capital rank 13, PB ratio 8.20, dividend yearly 0.38, face value 2, beta 1.11, VWAP 520.26 and 52-week high low 663 and 436.80. Laurus Labs share price returns 1 day, 1 week, 1 month, 3 month, 1 year, 3 years and 5 years. Okay. Laurus Labs news and analysis. Laurus Labs share analyze. Recommendation: strong buy. Laurus Labs financial balance sheets, cash flow ratios, employee and interest expenses. Company has spent 2.04% of its operating revenues towards interest expenses and 10.16 towards employee cost in the year ending 31st March 2022. Source: consolidated financials. Live market price 522.50 with a target price of rupees 580. Okay, quarterly, annual, June 2022 ratios. Cash flow, balance sheets, and then income, profit and loss. Okay, total income 1540.69, total income growth plus 8.03, total expenses 1155.56, total expenses growth plus 5.64, EBITDA 385.13, EBITDA growth plus 15.91, profit after tax by 251.28, PAT growth plus 9.02, EBITDA margin 25, net profit margin 16.31, basic EPS 4.68. Okay, forecast. Technicals. Okay, 45% positive movement since 1st Jan 2005 on intraday basis. 55% negative movement since 1st Jan 2005 on intraday basis. Pivot levels: classic R1, R2, R3, S1, S2, S3. Pivot 518.03. Average true range ATR 5 days, 14 days and 28 days. Peer comparison. Ratios performs: Laurus Labs, Alchem Labs, Biocon, Gland Pharma. Okay. Stock returns versus Nifty Midcap 100. Stock gave a 3-year return of 621.72% as compared to Nifty Midcap 100, which gave a return of 95.15% as of last trading season. Okay. Technical chart. Ratios performs: okay, Laurus Labs shareholding pattern, quarter on quarter change, total shareholding. Category 30 June 2022. Shareholding pattern, total shareholding. Okay. Promoters 27.27, pledge 0.00, FII 26, DII 5.09, mutual funds 4.77, others 41.64. Mutual fund ownership. Okay, so guys, mutual fund ownership. First, PGIM India Midcap Opportunities, Equity Midcap, rating 5-star, amount invested 215.05 crore, 3.25% annual, 13.79% change month to month basis. Okay. Then second, Mire Asset Midcap Fund Direct Growth Equity Midcap, rating 4-star, amount invested 175.07 crore, 2.06% annual, 0.00 change month to month basis. Okay. Then third, Sundaram Midcap Direct Growth Equity Midcap, rating 2-star, amount invested 156.34 crore, 2.08% annual plus 2.46% change month to month basis. Okay. Laurus Labs share price, live market price 522.90. Corporate action. Laurus Labs. Laurus Labs dividend. Others. About Laurus Labs. Okay, so guys, Laurus Labs Limited Incorporated in the year 2005 is a mid-cap company having a market capital of rupees 27,531.61 crore, operating in pharmaceutical sector. एक फार्मा कंपनी है ये. Laurus Labs Limited key product revenue segment include pharmaceuticals product, traded goods, contract service, other operating revenue, scrap for the year ending 31st March 2022. Okay. Financials. For the quarter ended 36/2022, the company has reported a consolidated total income of rupees 1,540.69 crore, up 8.03% from last quarter. Total income of rupees 1,426.12 crore and up 19.96% from last year same quarter. Total income of rupees 1284.35 crore. Company has reported net profit after tax of rupees 252.54 crore in latest quarter. Okay. Okay, company has Deloitte Huskins and Sales LLP as its auditors as on 36/2022. The company has a total of 53.74 crore shares outstanding. M. Venugopal Rao, Non-Executive Chairman and Independent Director, and Satyanarayana Chamba, Executive Director and CEO, Industry Pharma Indian. Location plot number 21 and 18, Jawaharlal Nehru Pharma City, Visakhapatnam, Andhra Pradesh 531021, India. Okay, so guys, Laurus Labs share price, stock analysis and records. Sector pharmaceuticals industry pharma India. Live market price 522.50 with a target price of रुपीज़ 580. 580 का टारगेट है. एक शॉर्ट टर्म डिलीवरी आपको बाय करनी है. कंपनी के फंडामेंटल्स काफ़ी स्ट्रॉन्ग है, कंपनी फाइनेंशियल भी काफ़ी स्ट्रॉन्ग है. दिस इज़ द टेक्निकल चार्ट लॉरस लैब्स लिमिटेड. ओके, सो गाइज आज के लिए बस इतना ही. कल फिर मिलते हैं, तब तक के लिए अनुमति दीजिए. नमस्कार. बोलो राधे राधे.